Tight on space but still want your home to feel organized and functional? These clever Amazon finds are designed to help you maximize every inch without sacrificing style or comfort. From smart storage solutions to space-saving essentials, they make small space living feel effortless. You'll find all the links in the description below. Tying your shoes shouldn't feel like a balancing act. This wall-mounted folding seat gives you a sturdy place to sit whenever you need it. Built to support up to 500 pounds, it offers strong, reliable support for everyday use. It folds flat against the wall, saving space in tight entryways, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. The smooth, silent mechanism opens and closes quietly, and installation is quick with the included hardware. Hot lids don't belong on your countertop. This wall-mounted pot lid holder keeps them upright so they cool faster and stay out of your way. It holds 2 lids securely with a sturdy bracket and strong suction support that handles larger sizes with ease. No drilling needed, just stick it to a wall, cabinet door, or even a corner. It's detachable and washable, so you can keep your kitchen neat without extra effort. Your closet called? It wants more space. These multi-layer pants hangers let you store several pairs on one compact rack. Hang them vertically to save serious room or horizontally for easy browsing. The open-ended design makes sliding clothes on and off quick and simple. Strong metal bars with anti-slip rings keep everything in place, so your jeans, trousers, or scarves stay neat and wrinkle-free. Why line your clothes up against a wall when they can spin in style? This round garment rack rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can browse every piece with a simple turn. The sturdy metal frame holds plenty of coats, dresses, or shirts without wobbling. Its circular design saves floor space while keeping everything neat and easy to reach. Set it up in minutes and use it at home, in a studio, or even in a boutique display. Small space, big plans? This drop-leaf table folds out when you need it and tucks away when you don't. Use it as a dining table for family meals, a desk for work, or a slim console against the wall. The sturdy top supports everyday tasks without wobbling. 2 storage shelves keep essentials close, and smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, then lock it firmly in place. Running out of pantry space again. This over-the-door organizer turns the back of your door into 9 tiers of smart storage. Strong metal baskets hold spices, jars, cans, and more without bending or tipping. No tools, no drilling, just hook it over the door, and you're done. It's not just for the kitchen either. Use it in your bathroom, laundry room, or bedroom to keep everyday essentials neat and easy to grab. Tight space? No problem. This slim bathroom cabinet slides into narrow corners while giving you plenty of storage. 4 tiers hold towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies neatly without crowding your bathroom. Smooth wheels let you move it easily for cleaning or repositioning. With a minimalist design and sturdy build, it keeps your essentials organized while blending seamlessly into any decor. Love books but short on space? This 6-tier rotating bookshelf spins a full 360 degrees, giving you instant access to every title without moving a thing. Made from sturdy bamboo, each tier holds heavy books without bending or sagging. Its compact square base fits snugly in corners or small rooms, saving floor space while keeping your collection organized. Dual shelf heights fit both tall and short books, and anti-fall rods keep everything secure. Assembly is simple and quick, so your library is ready in no time. Tired of juggling multiple containers for grains? This 6-grid dispenser keeps rice, beans, oats, and more organized in one place. Each compartment rotates 360 degrees, so you can grab exactly what you need with a simple button press. No lid opening or mess. The airtight seal keeps grains dry and fresh, while the clear design lets you see when it's time to refill. Strong, food-safe materials make it durable and safe for everyday use. Messy drawers? Not anymore. This wall-mounted organizer keeps socks, underwear, and small essentials neatly separated in 6 adjustable compartments. The clear acrylic lets you see everything at a glance, so you grab what you need without digging. Self-adhesive design sticks to smooth walls, freeing up drawer or counter space. Switch the dividers to fit larger or smaller items, and enjoy a tidy, dust-free storage solution for your bedroom, bathroom, or office. Tired of juggling bottles and soaps in your shower? This corner tension pull turns chaos into order. 6 adjustable baskets hold everything from shampoo to body wash, and you can twist them any way you like. The extra towel bar and toothbrush holder keep clutter off the counter. Rust-proof and sturdy, it stands tall from 30 to 120 inches, fitting most showers perfectly. Easy to install, no tools or plumbers needed. Your bathroom instantly feels tidy and stylish. Say goodbye to messy entryways. This freestanding shoe cabinet hides up to 24 pairs behind 3 clever flip drawers. Each drawer has adjustable tiers to fit flats, heels, or mid-boots perfectly. The slim design slides into narrow spaces, while the top doubles as a spot for keys or decor. Anti-tip safety and easy-to-clean surfaces make it practical, sturdy, and stylish for any hallway or living area. Need extra seating without the clutter? These solid wood stools stack neatly when not in use, saving space instantly. Strong and sturdy, each stool supports you comfortably, while the smooth wooden finish adds a warm, natural touch. Perfect for kitchens, living rooms, or even outdoor gatherings. Lightweight enough to move around, yet durable enough to last for years. 4 stools mean you're ready for friends or family anytime. Say goodbye to cluttered coats and bags. This wall-mounted rack flips 5 pegs down whenever you need them, then tucks them away when you don't. Each peg holds your coats, scarves, or bags safely, while the sleek design doubles as modern wall decor. Easy to mount and built strong, it's perfect for entryways, bedrooms, or offices. Minimal space, maximum organization. Your walls just got a clever upgrade. Laundry day just got a lot easier. This mini dryer dries up to 9 garments in under an hour using heat and airflow, so you don't have to wait around for air drying. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for apartments, RVs, or travel. Whisper quiet operation and a timer let you set it and forget it. Built-in LED keeps your clothes fresh and clean, saving space, time, and energy. Free up cabinet space and show off your glassware. These under-cabinet racks hold 3 to 4 wine glasses each, keeping them safe and within easy reach. Made of sturdy, rust-resistant iron, they're built to last. Installation is simple with the included screws, no special tools needed. Perfect for kitchens, bars, or anywhere you want a tidy, stylish way to store your stemware. Say goodbye to messy drawers. This 9-in-1 organizer keeps foil, plastic wrap, wax paper, and storage bags all in one place. The built-in slide cutter makes wrapping quick and easy, while labeled compartments keep everything tidy. Made from durable bamboo, it adds a warm, natural touch to your kitchen. Everything from sandwich bags to gallon-sized storage bags fits neatly, turning clutter into instant order. Need extra storage that moves with you? This rolling cart has 4 spacious drawers to hold clothes, office supplies, toys, or snacks. Translucent fronts let you see what's inside at a glance, so you never waste time searching. Built from sturdy plastic and reinforced panels, it's durable and long-lasting. Wheels make it easy to roll around, and you can lock them in place for stability. Perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or any space that needs quick organization. Tired of digging through crowded spice cabinets? This slide-out rack keeps all your seasonings organized and within reach. 2 sturdy drawers hold jars securely, and full extension glides make every spice easy to grab. With 415 labels included, you'll find exactly what you need in seconds. Made from durable steel, it's built to last and fits neatly in most cabinets. Cooking just got faster, easier, and a lot more organized. Keep your valuables safe without ruining your style. This floating shelf hides a secret compartment that blends perfectly with your decor. Made from solid wood with a magnetic lock, it can hold up to 50 pounds of books, plants, or decorations. Sleek and modern, it fits in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Easy to mount with included hardware, it turns ordinary shelving into a clever, hidden storage solution. Hosting dinner just got effortless. This extendable table grows from a compact console to fit up to 12 people with 5 removable leaves. A sturdy aluminum and iron frame keeps it stable, while the high-gloss surface resists heat, moisture, and wear. Quick to set up, just attach the legs, and it's ready for meals, homework, or meetings. Sleek walnut design fits any space, making it perfect for apartments or larger homes. Make kitchen cleanup effortless. This wall-mounted rack holds up to 12 plates, plus utensils, chopsticks, and even fruits or veggies. Rust-proof stainless steel keeps it durable and easy to clean, while the removable drain board keeps counters dry. Hooks and a detachable tray make daily use simple and mess-free. Quick to install and practical, it turns your kitchen wall into smart, organized storage. Drying clothes just got smarter. This floor-standing tripod rack has 16 wooden poles and a spacious umbrella design for maximum airflow. You can hang, lay flat, or adjust poles to fit all types of garments. Solid beach construction keeps it sturdy, while the foldable design makes storage a breeze. Perfect for corners, walls, or anywhere you need extra drying space, it's stable, portable, and built to last. Save floor space with this clever ceiling-mounted dryer. The Foxy Dream Mini lifts up to 10 kilograms of laundry with a smooth pulley system, so you don't strain your arms. 8 aluminum rods give plenty of room for shirts, towels, and delicate items. When not in use, it folds neatly up to the ceiling, keeping your space clutter-free. Durable aluminum and steel construction makes it perfect for indoor or balcony use, rain or shine. Say goodbye to drilling holes with this sleek suction cup shower caddy. It sticks firmly to smooth walls, holding shampoo, soap, and everyday essentials without slipping. 4 movable hooks give extra hanging space for loofahs or brushes. The transparent design blends seamlessly with your bathroom while keeping things tidy. Installation is effortless. Just clean, press, and twist, and it leaves no marks when removed. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.